All right, okay. Got my computer yellow light or blue light, whatever they're called, glasses on because I spent a lot of time in front of this thing. My Clark Kent look going. That's what Dawn says, at least. So we have um, Sandpaper coming up tomorrow. This is a 12-minute AMRAP with an ascending ladder. We're going to do dumbbell power cleans, 2 if you got them, single if you don't is fine. And dumbbell thrusters with a double under set to break it up in between. Now, the dumbbell movements will ascend by 2 reps every round, and the double unders will stay consistent the whole workout, the whole 12 minutes. So it looks like in that 12 minutes, you're doing power cleans, 2 power cleans, 2 thrusters, set it down, 30 double unders, 4 power cleans, 4 thrusters, set it down, 30 double unders. And that's going to continue for 12 minutes. So if you have a single dumbbell, then we will split that up. So you're going to do alternating every rep. And if you have a single dumbbell for the thrusters, you have a couple options. You could just divide up the reps. So if you're doing 4, you do 2 on one side, 2 on the other. Or you can do, we did these, was it beginning of this week? I forget, the single dumbbell goblet style thruster. So you could do that for the same amount of reps the whole time. So those are your options for modifying the power cleans. Or you could always use the odd object, the backpack, for either one of those. And as far as the double unders go, we want to keep it short. We want to keep it 30 seconds or less. So the modifications for that would be either reducing the reps, 45 single unders, or line hops where it's 1, 2, 3. So over and back equals 1. And in doing those, I realized they have to be pretty fast if you want to keep it 30, do 1 every second. So keep that in mind. We're not looking to lazily hop up, boom, 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 boom. So that's the workout. I want you guys to read through this as far as the technique goes. Some things to consider specifically with the grip, potentially breaking it up. If there's a time to rest, it's with 1 power clean left, so you can pick it up and do that last power clean before your thrusters. Maybe trying to use a hook grip to save the grip, and I think that's pretty much it. I want you to read through that and kind of digest it on your own. As far as the warm up goes, you'll start to see building. I have the odd object here, but it could be the same thing with if you have weights for the dumbbells, that you can kind of start to build in weight there over the 2 to 3 sets. If you have lighter dumbbells, use them and then build up to your workout weight. And that's in the bottom. That's in the second half of the warm up. The first half is using the jump rope, doing some glute bridges, doing some air squats, get those legs nice and warm for the movement, for the workout, as well as the body armor. So the body armor is 2 parts today. We have part A, which is a complex. So the complex, I'm going to let you watch this video real quick. I think it's pretty short and to the point.
All right, guys, squat complex today. First 5 reps from the absolute bottom to just above parallel, partial range of motion. 2, 3, 4, 5. Following that, 5 full range of motion squats. This is all the way up to extension. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 5 jumping squats. Full range of motion with a jump up top. Right into it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5, weight goes down, going for max height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so 20 reps, and then you would rest 30 seconds and repeat 5 times. Those of you who did the body armor the other day with the 7s of the single leg rear foot elevated, aka Bulgarian split squats, you could probably already feel the burn on that. Those partial range movements can get you. With that, we do want to actually bias speed over, we're looking for speed over that slow grindy there. So we do want to try to move through those reps, those 20 reps, as fluidly as possible. Of course, always with consideration of technique. Part B is the Cossack squat. So 20, that is staying low. Actually, the link here is for lateral squats, but in the Cossack squat, we are getting down and then staying low, going from side to side, as I'll show you here. So we do want to go wide and stay low as we go. Kind of camp out here for a second, because again, these are slow. So let's pay attention to that bottom foot. I know you can't see me in this angle, but we want to try to keep that foot in a good position, knee out, good traction. This foot, on the other hand, can drift up, and then when we slide to the other side, we find that same position. We ground our foot down on the 3 points. Okay, should be a big stretch in the inner thighs and the groin area, and that's 10 reps per side. Okay, modifications there you could read through, and otherwise should be self-explanatory. Hey, kiddo.
Hi.
What do you have? You have cashews. How'd you get those? Come here. Come say hi. No. All right. I got you.
Yeah.
I got you.
Glasses
I have glasses on. I know. You want to put them on? Who do you look like? You look like the kid from what's it called? Show me the money. All right, in the comments, what's that movie called? With Tom Cruise. Man, that's bad. I should have known that. Anyway, goodbye.
Goodbye.